in my Passion I Don't Have Time series. In this last installment, we're going to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to apply a mask. Now keep in mind, masks need to be left on for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's the optimal amount of time it will take for all of the active ingredients to absorb deeply into the skin. With that said though, masks are very active, so even a quick mask can do a lot better than no mask. Now, I have got my timer, which I'm going to start right now. And rather than leaving the mask on for a whole 15 minutes, I don't know how I'd entertain you for that long, I'll simply show you how quick it is to apply and then how quick it is to take off. Because let's think about it, you can do anything in the time that a mask is on your skin, like relaxing, catching up on things, as long as you don't have to go out in public perhaps, and even if you wanted to, I wouldn't judge you, you'll see how quick it is. So actually, let me start that again. Starting our timer as of now. So I've got my mask and I'm going to apply this to my clean skin. Keep in mind, you do need to make sure that a mask is applied on a clean skin. This wouldn't do the best for your skin if you had makeup underneath or hadn't really cleaned it properly recently. So what I'm using today is a really thick, balmy mask called Nutri-Soothing Mask. I absolutely love this mask so much. It's the perfect mask to make your skin feel really nourished. And once applied, making sure you don't go into the eye area. Masks being so active, you just got to be really careful not to get them into those really oversensitized areas of the skin, like the eyes. But of course, with this type of product, given that this is a mask for sensitive skin, it probably wouldn't hurt too much. You just don't want to end up with it in your eyes. So far, that application took all of a minute maximum, probably took too long. So you can see that one on the skin. And now, really, it's completely up to you what you want to do with your time. Go and sit on the couch, go and read a book, go make a cup of tea, do whatever you like, vacuum the floors, fold some washing. I say use the time as a time to relax, but you can do whatever you like. And so now I'm going to show you how quick it is to remove the mask. So I would say it's best to get yourself a face washer or something. And what I'll do is I'll pop the timer back on again just to keep tabs of how long this process takes. And now let's pretend that nice 10-15 minutes has gone by. I'm just going to wipe the mask off with a face washer, with a towel, whatever it may be. And then you'll be finishing off with a moisturizer, of course. And that's really easy. All done. Grab a towel just to take off any dampness. And we're done. So pretty interesting, because apart from the time that you need to leave a mask on, we actually had this application and removal done in just over 2 minutes. So if you do feel like wearing a mask is just something you do not have time for, I've just proven to you that that is absolutely something that you could fit into your schedule at least once a week, ideally twice a week, or whenever's needed, whenever your skin needs an intensive boost. And there you go. The proof is right there for you. So thank you.